Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. Sometimes my cats end up looking like ants to start with. I'm just getting those shapes in to make sure I got the body correct. And I'll just find my way around here. I'm going 4 times the speed here and voicing over. Just shape that tail in there. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat art, or whatever. Or tell me what you want to learn about cat art, cat drawing. You can just put video idea in capital letters at the beginning, and that way I can find it quickly. And if it's something that's within my realm, I'll do my best to get it on here. Really starting to strengthen up the lines that are important now. And pop some features in there for this side profile Maine Coon kitty, I guess is what it looks like. I think I got those ears a little bit tall, but I'll shorten them off in a little bit here. Cute little paw. Fixing things up a little here on the face. Oh, I like the tail that way. Get some lines in there for movement. Some toe lines, wiggle lines. Yeah, now is when I knock those ears down a bit, make them a little shorter. They were a bit tall. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.